In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Ringcentral on laptop. The desktop app lets you manage calls, video meetings, and team messaging in one place, so getting it installed correctly will save you time. I'll walk you through the official download, installation on both Windows and Mac, and the first launch, keeping everything simple and clear from start to finish. Start by opening your web browser and going to the official Ringcentral download page. Using the official site ensures you get the latest, secure version without any unwanted extras. When the page loads, you'll see options for different operating systems. Give it a moment to populate, and keep your internet connection steady so the installer downloads smoothly. Next, choose the version that matches your computer. On Windows, click Download for PC. This installer requires Windows 10 or newer. On Mac, click Download for Mac. It's compatible with Mac OS 11 Big Sur or later. Selecting the correct option avoids install errors and ensures the app runs as expected. After you click, your browser will save the installer file, usually to your Downloads folder, so you can find it quickly. When the download finishes, you're ready to install. On Windows, double-click the .exe file and follow the prompts. Choose Next, then Install, and finally Finish. If Windows asks to allow the installer to make changes, that's normal for trusted applications. Approve it to continue. The process may take a minute while files are copied and shortcuts are created, so avoid closing the window until it's done. On a Mac, open the installer package from your downloads and proceed through the guided steps. When prompted who to install the app for, choose. For me only if it's just your account, or for all users if multiple people share the laptop and you have administrator access. You may be asked to enter your Mac username and password to authorize the installation. Continue until the installer confirms it has completed successfully. After installation is complete, launch the Ringcentral app. On Windows, open it from the desktop shortcut or the Start menu. On a Mac, open it from the Applications folder or search with Spotlight. When the app opens, sign in with your Ringcentral credentials using your usual sign-in method, email and password, single sign-on, or whatever your organization uses. Once you're signed in, the app is ready for calls, video meetings, and messaging right away. That's it. You've downloaded and installed the Ringcentral desktop app on your laptop. If you ever need to reinstall or update, return to the official download page and repeat these same steps. Enjoy your streamlined communications experience.